Let us deep dive into those elements that constitute the basis of any civilizational building. We have already mentioned many times, but here again, civilization begins with something deceptively simple: the ability to move meaning from one mind to another. Before laws, institutions, or written records, humans first had to solve a more fundamental problem: how private thought becomes shared understanding. Communication, in this sense, is not mere speech. It is the infrastructure through which reality itself becomes collective. The decisive shift occurred when humans began using symbols, sounds, gestures, marks, or signs that represented things not physically present. At that moment, communication stopped being ephemeral noise and became a shared system for thinking. Therefore, meaning at that time gained stability. It could travel reliably between individuals, across time, and eventually across generations. Once meaning was now able to move between minds, three civilizational capacities emerged simultaneously. First, humans could now coordinate the present. In this case, warn one another of danger, divide roles, organize hunts, and act together with shared intent. Second, they could then stabilize the past, narrate experience, preserve knowledge, and prevent learning from vanishing with any individual regardless of his status in society. Third, they were now able to imagine, to plan the future, plan, promise, negotiate, establish norms, and create expectations that extended beyond the immediate moment. These three capacities transform communication into the first civilizational infrastructure. Why this? Because without a symbolic layer that allows minds to synchronize, there is no sustained cooperation, no shared memory, no culture, and ultimately, no civilization possible in any way, shape, or form. We can see this power very early in human history.